guys, we're going to do another PPT presentation in PowerPoint. And yes, guys, we're not getting videos regularly in lectures videos and PowerPoint videos. I'm very sorry about that. So let's now go into the topic. And today the topic is gonna be clouds and the water cycle. And on the topics. So the topics are today. We have three topics. First is how do a clouds give us rain. Second is about water cycle. And third is activity time. We have a small activity in the last, which you can try at your home as well. Alright, so let's start. So this is a picture. So how do clouds give us rain? The rain forms with the help of a process called water cycle. It contains 4 steps for the water cycle to occur. Let's start by one. So water cycle consists 4 steps, and because of these 4 steps, water cycle occurs, and because of water cycle, the rain forms. So the water cycle has 4 steps, and about the 4 steps, we will learn one by one. So starting with evaporation. Evaporation means the conversion of liquid to gas. For example, the water present in oceans evaporates into water. Next is condensation. Condensation is the process in which vapor turns back to liquid. For example, vapor turns to clouds containing water. So what happened in these two processes? The ocean water or any water is being evaporated. In evaporation means liquid to gas, so it's being converted to the gaseous state. Then it's being when it's in the sky, it again converts into liquid with the help of the process called condensation. You can see the photo here. That here that comes, and here you can see that it again turns the vapor to liquid. Yeah. Next is precipitation. The process is this process is the main reason behind the rain formation. In precipitation, the water in the clouds falls on the land. For example, the same water which was stored in the clouds comes out. So not only water, guys, we can say that anything which goes means when the clouds release water, if the temperature is normal, then it comes in the water state. But when the temperature is cold, then it can come in the state of solid, which we can say hailstones or snow. Next large process of this thing is collection. Look, collection. In this process, water from the rain falls in the ground. Example, this water is collected by the lakes and rivers, etc. So the water, through its precipitation, the rain comes and all the lakes and the rivers refill the waters with the help of precipitation. Activity time. Okay, so guys, you can try this activity in your home. So let's start with the first activity. First thing. So this first step is take some water and boil it. You will see the vapor. This is the process of evaporation. So I can take any jar or anything and you can just boil it with water, and then you can see the vapors out. Then that's called evaporation. Then keep a cold lid on top of it. After some time, you will notice that bubbles would form on the lid. This is called condensation. Look. Now, if you keep a cool lid in front of that thing, in front of the jar, in front of the container which you have boiled water, then you will notice some water droplets or some bubbles will appear on the lid. So this process is called condensation. This is how condensation actually happens. Third step. Then stop the boiling water, and when the lid cools down and water falls, it is the precipitation. So after that, stop the boiling water, and then after some time, you will notice the condensed water in the lid will come down, and this is the process of precipitation. When we have the droplets fall, it falls. It is called collection or accumulation. So when the droplet falls, again the jar again takes that water. So this is called collection, and the other name of collection is accumulation. So this is the end of our PPT. If you like it, please do like the video. And if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.